In this video, we're going to be working exclusively on the white keys, doing an exercise. The right hand is going to have triads on the white keys in these classic beginner's pentascale hand positions. But instead of them being block, they're going to be broken, and we're going to break them going up. We'll do the individual tones, the C position, the D position, E, F, G, A, B, C. Once we get here, we're going to reverse the direction. We're going to start with the G, come back down to the C, F, middle finger, thumb, etc., until you come back to where you started, middle C with your right hand thumb. Now, the right hand is going to, the left hand is going to have octaves, block octaves, moving up one white key at a time. So all of the C's are going to come together, the octave C's and the thumb of the right hand, and then move to the D position. D's come together. E position, F, G, A, B, C. Once you get here, we're going to reverse the direction of the right hand. So you're going to start with the G, or your fifth finger, and then come down. And then next position, until you're back to where you started. So here's the whole exercise. Switch. Now if you have more keyboard, go further. If you have even more, do whatever you can, whatever your keyboard will allow. If you can go lower, okay, all of that is great terrain. It's good to get way up there, way down there if your keyboard allows for that. So have fun with that.